My name's Mike.
I'm Jake.
I'm Mara.
We love dogs, and we didn't have a dog at the time, so we thought it would be perfect to foster some dogs, help out the military people on deployment. We feel good knowing that what we're doing here is they feel good while they're away defending the country, knowing that their animals are taken care of. PACT, I just want to say, has always been there. I can reach them 24 hours a day. If I ever need anything, they're there to help. Once you start fostering with PACT, you will never be alone.
Who is that?
The family that took care of them for the past couple months, I know loved them like their own. I miss them, and with them being older, I know every day is precious for me to be able to see them.
Thanks, PACT, for finding a great family to watch my dogs for me.